Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming basic but critical prerequisites. Make sure airplane mode is off, and then immediately restart the phone to clear temporary faults. Once done, pull down Quick Settings and toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on to force a hardware reinitialization. You do this now because many issues are transient. Rebooting and quick toggles often restore radios without deeper steps. If a toggle won't engage, move to the next slide for targeted resets and permission checks. Next, you perform the more detailed fixes. Reset network settings from system right arrow, reset to remove corrupted profiles. This clears saved Wi-Fi, but often restores functionality. Make sure location and nearby devices permissions are enabled because Android links Bluetooth to location in newer releases. Then go to Apps, force stop settings, and Bluetooth-related services and clear their cache. This removes stale states without deleting accounts. If the radios still won't toggle, proceed. For the final phase, you boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. If Wi-Fi and Bluetooth work in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. Make sure system and carrier updates are installed, and if your OEM provides a radio/baseband update, apply it or reflash per manufacturer instructions. If nothing fixes it, access the bootloader or service menu to verify the hardware radio is recognized. One key troubleshooting tip: if hardware isn't detected, consult authorized service. Do not continue flashing unofficial firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.